12th question of exercise 10.2. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. This is 4 cm. Such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 8 cm and 6 cm. Respectively, find the sides AB and AC. So now we will draw the first of all construction, altitudes. Because these are the point of contacts, and point of contact to the center will be 90 degree. So these are 90 degree like this. Now these are the external points for this circle. These are external points, and two tangents from this point. Suppose I am taking this point as E and this point as F. So from C point, two tangents are CE and CD. So these will be equal in length because tangents drawn from external point are equal in length. So this is 8. So this will also be 8. From B external point, two tangents are BD and BF. So if it is 6, so it will also be 6 cm. Now these two we don't know, so we will take it as X. Now what we will do? We will divide this whole triangle into 3 triangles. Triangle OBC, triangle OBC, this triangle, then triangle OCA, this triangle, and this third one OAB. So what we will do, we will use, because we don't know anything X, we have to find out. So we will use Heron's formula to find area of triangle ABC. So once we will find area of whole triangle ABC using Heron's formula, and that we will equate with area of these 3 triangles, and we will solve the equation. Area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAC. So these areas we will be solving using Heron's formula, and then we will equate. So let us start with area of triangle ABC. So how we will find area of triangle ABC? By Heron's formula. First of all, you have to find semi-perimeter S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. So here what are the 3 sides that you have to write? AB plus BC plus CA by 2. Now what is AB here? X plus 6 plus BC, 6 plus 8 plus CA, X plus 8 divided by 2. To solve this, +28 plus 2x. So 2 can be taken out common. 14 plus 2x by 2. So s is equals to 14 plus 2x. Sorry, 14 plus x. So this will be semi-perimeter. Now what is Heron's formula for finding area of triangle? So Heron's formula के according area of triangle ABC is equals to under root. Formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So one by one you will put all these values. S is 14 plus x. So 14 plus x in one bracket. 14 plus x minus a. A means if I am taking this, so minus x minus 6. Then 14 plus x minus 6 plus 8. 14. Another bracket. 14 plus x minus 8. Solve this. So under root 14 plus x is s. Here you can see x and x will be cancelled out, and 14 minus x, 14 minus 6. Here 14 and 14 will be cancelled out. 14 minus 8. It will be 14 plus x in one bracket, and these will be multiplied together. 6 8s are 48x. What we can do, we can simplify this by writing 8 as 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into x into 2 into 3. So whatever you think are in pairs, they will come out. So this 2 and this 2 will come out. It will be 14 plus x and 3x. Now this 3x will be multiplied with the bracket. Or just we will take it in the root only. 3 into x is multiplied in the bracket, 14x plus x square. Let it be like this only, first equation. This is area of triangle ABC. We will not solve it further. It will be like this only. This is